diffusers. This is a really nice aroma diffuser device. It's very elegant and it's very high quality that I've been using for quite some time right now in my home, and I just love it. I'm going to show you what this box comes in it. It's made of for leisure, okay, and it provides this luxurious feeling as well. It has ultrasonic vibration. It comes with all of these aromatherapy oils. It comes with this main device. It's like marble. It's very nice, and you need to plug it in the electricity. It comes with the electric cable. You need to plug it in from here. Okay, so also you need to fill in water, so you need to fill into the max. It comes with this pouring cup, and it's measured up to 150 ml. So I did not fill it up to the max, but that's enough. Okay, so the next step is to choose one of those aroma oils and throw a drop inside of it. A drop or two is more than enough. Just make sure here you tilt it from here so the cord goes up. Okay, we have tilted it. Now I'm going to choose the lemon. I really love the lemon. Makes me feel super comfortable. It's 100% pure essential oil. So you make a few drops, and that's it. You close it, you put it back. It has these 9-10 aromatherapy oils. Then you need to close this little knob. Make sure you close it properly in place. Then you close this and you twist it. Okay, then you switch it on from here. Then you switch the LED light. Like, really choose which color you like and just leave it on. It has many colors: blue, red, green, yellow, orange. It diffuses the aroma with the smell. So if you want it concentrated, you add more oil, but like 3-4 drops are enough. Look at this elegance. It's beautiful, and I hope you like it. Lavender, peppermint, jasmine, citronella, orange, lemon, lemongrass, rose, eucalyptus, the last one, grapefruit.